Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be organizing my fridge. It needs it. I have not organized it since we moved in, and we moved in January, so definitely needs some attention and some TLC. I just went to Bed Bath & Beyond and I grabbed a bunch of things that I'm gonna organize with, so I'll show you what I got in just a second. But really I'm just gonna go through the fridge and give a home to everything, because I feel like nothing really has a designated spot. We just kind of put it where it is. So I'm gonna show you what the fridge looks like and do a little before and after. I'm gonna show you all the things that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond to organize with, and yeah, let's get started. Here's the big bag of stuff that I got. It's a giant bag, and I got a lot of things. Honestly, I didn't even have a plan for it all. I just kind of grabbed what I saw. The area that had these clear bins was all kind of picked over, and so I just kind of grabbed what I saw and what I thought I would need, and then I also have a few other things that I'll show you that I already had on hand. Here are all of the bins that I got. Like I said, I didn't know what I would need, so I just kind of grabbed stuff that I found. But these ones stack on top of each other. So, I don't know, I'm gonna kind of play around with them in the fridge first before I take all the stickers off and wash them, and just see what I'm gonna need to keep and what I'm not going to. I already had this one. This is for cans, and I have some cans that I wanna put in there. And then this one's not gonna go in the fridge, but I thought it was really cool. This is a cabinet lid organizer, and we have a major cabinet lid organization problem. So I wanted to try this and see if it would work for us. So I grabbed that. This is just another larger, wider, shorter one. And then the last one, I already had this one as well. This I don't believe is the same brand as this. This one I got from TJ Maxx, I think, but it's a little egg holder, and the eggs look really cute in there. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to the fridge. I'll set the stuff aside, go to the fridge, take everything out of it, and wipe down the inside of the refrigerator. Really quickly before we get started, I wanna give you a before of the fridge as it is now. So it's kind of packed in there, not very organized. And then this right here used to have sweet tea in it, but Andrew is on not a diet, but he's eating very healthy right now, so no sweet tea for him. So he has instead filled this up with water. I'm gonna go ahead and just remove that. And there was another shelf in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this and put another shelf in there, and we're gonna have to share. Yeah, that's how it is now. Oh, another thing that I think is kind of wonky is we have the two drawers at the bottom. Gosh, how gross is this fridge? It needs a really good wipe down. We have the two produce drawers, but we don't have, like, usually fridges that I have seen or I have had have another drawer for cheese and stuff like that. But we don't have that, so I'm gonna have to figure out a solution. Right now, this is our solution. There's just all kinds of random, like, tortillas and cheese in there. But yeah, I'm really excited to get this thing organized. So here is another last final before shot. And then the freezer, honestly, it's not too bad, and I don't know what more I can do with it. I might kind of organize into some baskets a little bit better. I'll have to see. But we don't really have a ton in here. It just really needs to be kind of organized. So I'll see how far I get on the fridge, and then I'll start on the freezer and see what we can do there.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Auto, your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you. I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts.
Okay, so I have gotten the fridge all cleaned out, and I am the type of person that cannot just halfway do something. I have to either do it or not do it, go big or go home. So I ended up taking everything out of the fridge, all of the drawers and glass and all that stuff, and washing it all, and then I put it all back. I kind of regret doing it. I wish that I could just have wiped it down, but hey, it is done, it is clean. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take those bins that I just got, and I am going to kind of play with them and rearrange them in the fridge and just see how I want to kind of organize things and see what bins that I'm actually gonna need, and if I don't need all of them, then I'll take them back to the store.
Is it really a bad reception out there? Where are you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my...
So I have organized everything, kind of how I'm gonna maybe do it. Maybe once I put some food in there, I will rearrange it even a different way. But for now, I'm gonna end up keeping all of those bins, and there's even room for more if down the road I find that I could just use a couple more. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take those out and I'm gonna wash them all, take off all the little stickers and things like that. And then we're finally gonna get to the actual organizing.
pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones. And be wild, 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 wild.
I finished the fridge and I am so happy with how it turned out. Everything just looks so neat and organized and crisp and clean because I used the clear containers. And it honestly just feels so good to have a place for everything now. Just to have all the shelves wiped down and cleaned. And there's even room, so like for instance, I could fit another one of these containers right here. So there's even room if down the road we find that we just need to organize a little bit more, a little bit better. I honestly probably will grab a few more things to put in here, snack-wise. Let me give you a quick tour of what we have. So back here is some almond milk and then our cow's milk, and then that's just a little vitamin water, and then these are our LaCroix. I love this little container for canned drinks or whatever. It's just so handy to grab one. And then this is our water filter. I'll have a lot of this stuff, like this is linked in my Amazon storefront if you guys want to check that out. But I'll have all of these linked down below, all the ones that I used, so you guys can check those out as well. But in this one is just fruit. I like that it's on top because it's easy access to like the healthy stuff. And then down in this one we have cheese and cheese and tortillas. Then down here we have our eggs. I love this little container, so cute. And then this one is for bread. So we have some bagels and, uh-oh, we just lost a light. Oh no. This is for bagels and bread. And then down here is our little snack station. This is the snack container. This has got cheese and then perfect bars that we all like to eat. And then this one has some little Stonyfield yogurts for Emmy. And then this is just a little random thing of lettuce. And then in this drawer, I ended up using this basket. I might go and get another clear one to put in here just because I like the uniformity of having all the clear things, and I feel like this kind of darkens up the fridge when you open it. But oh well, for now that's all I've got, and I'm gonna use it to help compartmentalize. But this is just some sugar snap peas, some baby carrots, a little salad kit, and then some random veggies and fruits. This will actually, once I go to the grocery store, be a lot more full with like apples and things. So I might need another container. I don't know, we'll have to see. And then this last one is more bulk veggies, carrots, Brussels, broccoli, just kind of all thrown in there. And here are all our condiments. I organized it a little bit differently than how I normally would have. Look at that little Emmy shoe. Normally I would have put all of these condiments, like the littler bottles, up here, but I don't use those every day. So I put the things that we use every day up on this shelf that's more eye level. So jelly, nut butters, I use maple syrup a lot, and then our coffee, and then mayonnaise. I'll give you guys a little peek into the freezer. I would one day like to get some bins for the freezer, but for now I just kind of organize things and tidied it up. So these are like frozen fruits and veggies, ice creams, that's a thing of soup back there, more berries, and then the bottom two shelves are all meat. We get butcher box, so that's why we have so much meat going on, but that is what that is. Then over here we keep our flour in the freezer, and then I keep walnuts in the freezer as well, otherwise they go rancid. So, and then that's just to keep the little pesky bugs out of flour. that is it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I hope you guys got some motivation and maybe some inspiration to organize and clean out your fridges as well. Like I said, I'll have all the things that I used linked in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos that we have coming out. Follow us on Instagram at allie_gooch to keep up with us there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.